Hi, friends! I'm Buddy! Wow! Look at the sky! Let's build a rainbow together! First comes red. Red! Oh, look at the bright red paint! Look, a red fire truck! Whee, whee, whee. It goes fast! Yummy! A crunchy red apple. Red apple. Next is orange. Orange. Roar! Ooh, look at the orange tiger! Jump, tiger, jump! Wow, a big orange pumpkin. It's so round. Then comes yellow. Yeah, yellow. Bright like the sun. Hello, Mr. Sun. Yellow sun. Spin, spin, spin. Lummy yellow banana. And a yellow ducky. Quack, quack. Now for green. Right in the middle. Ribbit. A green frog. Hop, 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 little froggy. Green grass and green broccoli. It's good for you. Here is blue. Blue, like the water. A big blue whale. Hello, whale. Splash, splash. Little blue blueberries. 1, 2, 3, pop. I is for indigo. Indigo. A very dark blue. Look. Indigo jeans. Shake them. Wiggle, wiggle. Dark indigo grapes. They look sweet. Last is violet. Violet. Beautiful violet flowers. Spin around. Whee! A soft violet balloon. Don't let it fly away. We did it!